Just a quick video here on how to connect your high deck slide. You can see this one's rolled out to our power deck. Now, when the fridge slide is clicked into the floor, it allows you to access underneath by removing the hatch in the floor itself, which then exposes the fly lead that's provided for you to connect to your fridge. Now, easy way to do that is undo the Anderson plug that we have fitted in this end of the slide. Pop that back, join your Anderson plugs together, like so, tuck that back underneath, and then the lift out goes straight back in place. We've designed it so that the lift out handle is right there, allows you to plug that cable straight in, all hidden away, no cables hanging out anywhere, directly into the power deck.